With the growing demand for mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers, users have come to appreciate precision, durability, and creative flexibility, qualities that are just as important when choosing an embroidery machine. Whether you're crafting professionally or as a hobby, the best embroidery machine offers smooth operation, a variety of designs, and excellent value. This guide evaluates 5 top models based on needle count, speed, screen features, and ease of use. List No. smartstitch S1501 commercial embroidery machine with 15 needles, 14 by 20 inch embroidery. The smartstitch S1501 is a professional-grade embroidery machine designed for commercial use. Featuring 15 needles, it allows you to create multi-color designs without constant thread changes, improving efficiency significantly. The expansive 14 by 20 inch embroidery area is perfect for large projects like jackets, blankets, or banners, with industrial-grade construction and advanced features. List No. 2. smartstitch S1201 compact embroidery machine with 12 needles, 1200 SPM max speed, 10-inch screen. The smartstitch S1201 offers a balance of professional capability in a more compact form factor. Equipped with 12 needles, it can handle intricate multicolor designs while maintaining high efficiency, with a maximum speed of 1200 stitches per minute and a large 10-inch touchscreen. You can navigate patterns and settings with ease. It's an excellent choice for those who need commercial-grade output but with a smaller footprint. The S1201 is sturdy. List 3. smartstitch S1001 upgraded embroidery machine with 10 needles, 1200 SPM max speed, 7-inch touchscreen. The smartstitch S1001 is perfect for advanced hobbyists or small shop owners who need reliability and precision without overcomplicating their workflow. With 10 needles and 1200 stitches per minute maximum speed, it's both efficient and versatile. Its 7-inch touchscreen is bright and intuitive, allowing you to select and adjust designs quickly, despite being slightly more compact. List No. Poolin EOC06 embroidery machine, 7.9 x 11-inch large hoop for beginners. Computerized 7-inch touchscreen. For beginners or those wanting a high-quality entry-level machine, the Poolin EOC06 is an excellent choice. With a generous 7.9-inch 11-hoop size and a clear 7-inch touchscreen, it provides ample space and ease of control for most home projects. The computerized interface comes preloaded with patterns and makes editing designs a breeze. This machine is lightweight, quiet, and designed with simplicity in mind. List 5. Brother PE800 embroidery machine. 138 built-in designs, 5-inch by 7 hoop area, large 3.2 LCD touchscreen. The Brother PE800 is a trusted name among home embroiderers, known for its reliability and ease of use. With 138 built-in designs and a 5-inch by 7 hoop area, it's perfect for creating customized shirts, bags, and home decor. Its 3.2-inch color touchscreen lets you preview designs before stitching, and its USB port allows you to import your own patterns easily. Compact and user-friendly,